We gotta come back this way though, Mommy can't touch. Come on. Ready? Super fast? See, watch, Mommy's doing my arms. Okay. Whew.
It's hot.
Huh?
I'm like 3 or 4.
You're like 3 or 4?
Yeah, I'm like 3 or 4.
How old are you?
Next year I'm gonna be 4.
Yeah. How old's Mommy? No. Remember, I just turned 20 what? 26.
27.
No, I'm 26.
Mommy just had a birthday a few weeks ago, remember?
I was 25 for the past.
Best party ever.
It is.
The best party ever.
Yeah, I heard that.
He's all about having parties now.
I opened my present.
Ever since we went to that adult
I
party
opened my
that
present.
kids couldn't go to.
Yeah.
I opened my present, Lottie.
I know.
Since then
I
she's been,
opened my
I'm gonna be an adult.
present. Flashlight. That's flashlight that guy.
I see that.
Lolly brought us a sandwich we'll eat before we go back to the house, so it won't be messy at the house, okay?
I got you. You gotta be careful. That's
Right,
right.
make sure you hold your
That's
breath.
right at your limit when you
Here,
step off
hold
that
on.
last step. Okay.
Put on your sunglasses, Dave. It'll help your eyes not be
See,
hurting.
that's about as far as you can go without going
Your
over
eyes
your
not
head.
to hurt. You're gonna start talking in teacher language here. There you go.
What?
You look perfect.
Yeah, you need sunglasses when the sun's bright. Pop, you didn't bring yours?
I forgot it.
You want my I have a hat.